The simple method to balance the chemical equation is trial and error. This method contains two-way verification of balancing the equation. How it is, just we will see. First, write all the elements present in reactants and products. That is, LHS is reactants and RHS is a product. So here only three elements are present: hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Just write their number of atoms present on both the sides. Hydrogen, this 2, 4. Here hydrogen are only 2. Sulfur here 2 and here is 1. And oxygen is 7 and 1, 8, and this side only 4. Generally try to write oxygen at last. Now here if we will see, all the atoms are not having equal number. So any one out of them you can choose. Here if you will see, hydrogen are 4 and here they are 2. So if here we want to make 4, we have to multiply by 2. So on RHS we have to multiply by 2. Already I told, numbers we will write in front of molecular formula and this number will be applied to all the elements. Now this number will become 2 into 2, 4. Sulfur will become 1 into 2, 2. And oxygen will become 4 into 2, 8. Now if you will check, all atoms are same. So means hydrogen is balanced, sulfur is balanced and oxygen is also balanced. So in this way we can do balancing of chemical equation. Next example is silver reacts with hydrochloric acid, gives silver chloride and hydrogen gas. Here number of atoms write on LHS and RHS, that is reactant and product side. If you will see here, hydrogen is imbalanced atom. So on the RHS 2 hydrogen atoms are there and here only 1. So to make here 2 we will multiply by 2. So HCl we have to multiply by 2. Now again check number of atoms. Ag is 1. Okay. Hydrogen 2, 2. Hydrogen is also becoming 2. Cl, chlorine, this 2 into 1 is became 2 and here only 1 is there. So here again what we have to do? Here to obtain 2 chlorine atoms again we have to multiply by 2. So chlorine becomes 2 and chlorine becomes 2. But now problem is Ag is 2. That's why here also we have to add 2. In this way, by trial and error method, just we have to try until both the sides number of atoms are not becoming equal. Next example is, when sulfur dioxide reacts with hydrogen sulfide, products are sulfur and water. Here elements are sulfur, hydrogen and oxygen on reactant side and product side. On reactant side number of atoms are sulfur 1, 1, 2, hydrogen 2 and oxygen 2. On product side, sulfur is 1, hydrogen are 2 and oxygen is 1. So hydrogen is balanced, but sulfur and oxygen both are not having equal number of atoms. So out of these two, any one you can choose to balance. Suppose I will choose sulfur. This side sulfur are 2 and this side 1. So if I will multiply by 2, both the side it will become 2. So sulfur is 2 now. Now oxygen we will try to balance. Oxygen this side are 2 and this side is 1. So make it here 2 by multiplying 2. But here what will be the problem? Oxygen will become 2. But at the same time 2 into 2 hydrogen becomes 4. So now hydrogen becomes imbalanced. So make hydrogen 4 here. We have to multiply here 2. So hydrogen is now both the side 4, 4. But as this 2 is multiplied to S, what will happen? This 2S and this 1S, total 3S. But here only 2 is there. So here change that 2 by 3. Now check. Sulfur 1, this 2, 3, this side 3. Sulfur is balanced. Oxygen, 2 oxygens, this 2 into 1, 2 oxygen, oxygen is balanced. Hydrogen, 2 into 2, 4 and this 2 into 2, 4. Both the side hydrogen is also balanced. In this way, this equation is balanced.